All right, Dr. Emer, we are live.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer, and we're here in Boca, and we're doing an acne scarring treatment, but also just a facial rejuvenation treatment. My patient wants to get both anti-aging and improvement in scars. Our first step was to do some Bellafill injections, which we already did. Now we're into the center, to her scars pretty much around her mouth and on the lower part of her cheeks. You can see where I marked those areas in purple. Go ahead and show him that, Jordan. Now it's smoother, and we're doing our microneedling radiofrequency device, Pixel 8, which I can announce today won Cosmo's Beauty Award of the Year as the newest up-and-coming, most innovative device on the market today. So that will be announced very soon. With that said, this has one of the most depth and power of any microneedling radiofrequency, which is why you guys could see the bleeding. But if she did this alone, it really wouldn't look like she had much done the next day. It would just be a little red, which is quite amazing.
And I can say that for myself. You've done it for me.
Yes,
Same thing.
that's right.
Next
Jordan
day,
has
the
done
next
it.
day you're fine.
And Jordan did it with Aerify.
Applied it right after, guys. It was a great result.
And he wanted brightening and tightening. What we're doing for her is actually tightening the tissue and working on the texture, because she has acne scars that we want to get improved, and this allows us to go a little bit deeper while also getting textural improvement. We're going to laser on the surface afterwards.
All right, since we're on Emerage Skin because of JEMD, your live got taken down. Let's tell them what kind of Emerage Skin products you like to use besides Aerify.
So you can use Aerify immediately after. You guys know EmerageCosmetics.com. It's our retinol-based 2-week micro peel. But after treatment, it's really important to have hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and peptides on the skin. So that includes our Hyla B, which is our hyaluronic acid, our AOC, which is our 20% vitamin C, and our Refit Face and Refit Eye. That's going to be the most important. Now, we always add stem cells, which you guys know my favorite stem cell line is Anti-Age, which is human-derived bone marrow stem cells.
Get them in our roller.
We're just in our, and it's also in our Aerify microneedling system.
We recommend doing that afterwards as post-care, guys. We love having our patients use their roller and their Aerify kit post-treatment to maintain and enhance their results.
Exactly. So those combinations, and if you guys have any questions on how to get those protocols, guys, tell them what to do. Guys,
send us a DM with your full name, email, and phone number. We'll reach out to you. You can send to Emerage Skin over here or on Jason Emer MD. We're happy to get in touch on every page.
Turn your head all the way to the right. Right. There you go. Right. All the way. There you go.
Guys, this is one of our combination treatments. We do these a lot, guys. Right now, we are in Boca Raton. Right now at our pop-up clinic.
So Jennifer, tell them about your practice.
Tell them about Fifth and Wellness, Jennifer.
Oh my God. So we're at Fifth and Wellness in Boca. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, Monica. Yeah. Jennifer, hi. This treatment's awesome.
You've had it. Tell them about
I had
it.
Last time he was here. Skin telling look how good I look.
Guys, we did Jennifer last time. She got our famous Titan Bright treatment. We used our Pixel 8 RF, just like our patient here, and we used our Moxie laser. Right now, to tighten the skin, grind her, nice and glowing.
Aerify kit looks so good. Everything.
Yeah. So now we're just going to keep going, and basically we're going to do her whole face and neck with this treatment, and then we're going to go on top with a CO2 laser, and it's going to be really good for her texture and her color, but also tightening, and that's why we were doing that. That's what I was saying. So Jennifer, did you notice a lot of tightening?
I did. I have a scar.
Glass while I'm doing here.
I have a scar on the left side of my face, right here. And I noticed that the scar moved up, which meant that it was being tight.
So she got a lot of tightening. When did you notice that occur? How long after treatment?
Let's see, you were here 2 months ago. I noticed it about a week ago.
So yeah, it takes about 6 to 12 weeks to see the tightening.
But it's all of a sudden, like I just noticed I was putting makeup on. And the makeup was smoother.
And I know we noticed that your pores got a lot tighter too from that.
I know. And honestly, the best skincare is Emer Skin. I love it. It didn't give me any milia at all, which is huge.
And for those of you in South Florida, guys, come to Fifth and Wellness if you want Emerage Skin, guys. They carry it in their office. You can come and pick it up here in person.
Exactly.
Yes, absolutely. And then in between, I started doing the roller and the stamper.
Great.
which really helped a lot.
Yeah,
too.
every 2 weeks at least you want to do that. I do the stamper honestly almost every other day. The roller I do once a week. But for her, it's going to be after she peels because she's going to go through a healing phase first. And right now we're doing our first treatment pass, which is our microneedling radiofrequency for texture and for tightening. And you guys can see it looks aggressive because it's like a staple gun. It's actually pushing all the needles into the skin.
We have some questions. Kind of what products do you have for a light lift / tightening around the jaws and eyebrows?
Well, there's a lot of treatments for that, but that's
guys.
the many different things. There's threads, there's lasers, there's microneedling, there's fillers.
I had the mesh
She
brow.
did threadless with the mesh
We did
brow.
thread lifts for Jennifer.
And so tell them how to make an appointment so
Guys,
we can consult.
if you want to consult any treatment questions like that, we'll get the right treatment for your goals and we'll check out your face. Send us a DM, full name, email, phone number. Our team's going to reach out to you. We'll get you in for a consult and you can talk to our lovely team or Dr. Emer. Someone's asking what's happening, guys. We are doing Pixel 8. This is our microneedling with radio frequency. Right now we're using needles right now to deliver energy into the skin to help retexture her scars and tighten her skin. And guys, for those of you that don't know, as of today, this device won the Cosmo Beauty Device of the Year award. Right now, it's a new upcoming device. It's very exciting.
Very exciting award. Very few companies get that in their first couple years of practice, but they won the Cosmo Beauty Award of the Year. So obviously says a lot about why this technology works, says a lot about why I vouch for the technology. When used in the right hands, the device can give amazing outcomes.
Someone's asking, so you guys have weekend appointments? Yes, guys, we have weekend appointments at our pop-up clinics and in our LA office. We do that once a week. We have our Saturday clinics.
And they have Saturdays as well.
We have
guys-
Saturday every Saturday.
Every Saturday, guys.
So there's a lot of opportunities.
So people know why so much blood. Does that always happen?
Yes, it does. At this setting, at this depth, always a lot of bleeding.
It always depends on the setting. If you're concerned about downtime or bleeding, guys, settings are customized to our patient's goals and what they're comfortable with.
Exactly. So unfortunately or fortunately, that's what it does. But it also, that allows rebuilding of collagen.
Is this like Profound RF?
Honestly, Profound RF is a type of microneedling radiofrequency, but it uses a combination of needles, both insulated and uninsulated. I don't like Profound, you guys. It's one of the treatments I'll tell you do not do. It has a lot of downtime for very little effect. So I do not, that is a thumbs down from Dr. Emer. Not a device I like.
And we have lots of devices, guys.
Over
We've
100.
tried them all.
So now I'm going to do a second pass
Do you
right
do
on the
lip
scarring
injections?
areas. Oh yeah.
They
that's
might
one
not
of
know
my
you.
specialty.
They must not know you.
They must not know. Yes,
Yeah.
that's my specialty, you guys.
Yes, we do lots of lips.
People come to me very frequently for frequent lip injections. Actually, yesterday, I feel like we did 20 something lips yesterday. It was crazy. It was all lips. Everyone wanted lips, jawlines, and chin
We did
yesterday.
an awesome facial balancing an hour ago. It was awesome.
That's right.
Beautiful.
I forgot about that.
Yeah.
We did people facial sculpting, which we love. So we're doing a second pass over her more scarred area with a deeper setting. It's already pre-marked, you guys can see, because obviously once you start this treatment, it gets swollen and you can't see. Good. We're gonna do that same thing over here. Okay, now you guys wipe off the neck.
What is your range for top lip injections, guys?
Wipe off
They
the
wanna
Well,
know our
neck,
pricing.
yeah, full neck.
Can you give me
Pricing with me, I don't know. You guys have to see. It depends on the filler and how many we do and everything. So I would definitely tell them make a consult.
Yeah, guys, make a consult with us. There's special prices for Dr. Emer. And we do have our other providers.
Nurse injectors, yeah.
We have our nurse injectors, which are specially trained by
Start on
Dr.
your neck.
Emer. And they can treat you too in our office, guys. So send us a DM, full name, email, phone number. We'd love to have you in our office. And thank you guys for coming on Emerald Skin and joining us. What city or state are you in, guys? Right now we're in Boca Raton, Florida. We go to New York City. And we are based in West Hollywood, California.
So can you guys put numbing on your face?
Right now we're moving on to the neck portion. Right
So
now.
this is an area, Jordan, how many people forget?
Everyone forgets about this.
Everyone
A lot of
seems
people
to forget. And years ago when I always did necks, Everyone was like, why are you doing next? And now it's like the thing to do because everyone has sun damage.
Well, let's see if we come to Orlando, Florida. No, we don't, guys, but you should definitely come to Boca, Florida. We'll be at Fifth and Wellness.
Every 2 months.
Every 2 months. Let's say Miami. There's 1 hour north of Miami.
A lot of our patients come from Miami.
We got people coming from Miami. We have them coming from surrounding states as well.
You don't have to be fancy. Just
Okay.
rub it in.
Okay.
Yeah. Real quick because we want the numbing on.
Alrighty.
Yeah, this is not a treatment that you're making it really clean.
Yeah.
So she's doing really good. Is the neck less painful than the face or no? Yeah, that's what I figured. So with her neck goes down, which is a longer neck, a pretty neck. So we're gonna go all the way down, guys. We're gonna get everywhere in the neck to get a lot of tightening here. So you have to have patience when you do these treatments. They take a while. And you gotta do them right.
And we see it time after time in the office. Everyone comes in, they get their face treated, not their neck, not their chest. So I urge you to treat that. And what other areas do we like to treat as well?
Arms and hands,
Arms and
do
hands,
elbows and knees.
We treat everywhere, guys.
We're also gonna do eyes today. Now her lower eyes, I'm gonna do a combination of just a little bit of plasma pen, but with stronger CO2. Her upper eyes, we're gonna do all plasma pen. We call it a Madonna lift. Because Madonna was the first to popularize doing eye lasers and eye energy-based treatments. I don't know if you guys knew that.
Yeah, we just recently posted one. Not too long ago, guys, we did that recently for one of our patients. Her eyes look phenomenal.
They do.
We've done...
Actually, they look even better in person, to be honest.
Yeah.
So you guys can see, this is all going great. So someone's gonna have to hold.
This one here. And you guys see, we're about halfway done with the neck. We're just moving on to the other side.
And you guys will put numbing on the right side of her neck.
So it looks like it hurts.
It does hurt, you guys. Let's not lie. It hurts.
I had it.
But she's had it. It hurts, but it's worth it.
It's a mindset.
Let's go around Jordan.
Is that RF microneedling? Yes, it is, guys. Exactly what we're doing.
Jordan, just move a little so she can numb.
Move. Right. There you go.
Right where?
See, it's very important for us to go the whole right side of the neck. There
What
we
is this for, guys?
Full
We did it
jawline
on the
everything.
face for to retexture some acne scars, and we're doing it on the neck for some tightening and anti-aging. Can you explain the process to me and what is happening here?
Yes, these are deep needles.
Let's show them. There you go.
You can see how strong they are. Look at the scale. The crusts there. See those crusts? Those are coagulation zones that are coming from under the surface of the skin. So it's causing energy under the surface so that the skin tightens up. And this is great for jaw lines. This is great for just preventative aging. We did a second pass over her scars. We want to improve the scars more. Almost done on the neck. And we want to go all the way down. You guys see how specific we're being? Very meticulous. Mm-hmm. What'd you say?
We're good. I'm gonna close up.
Okay, so we're gonna finish this up and then we'll get into laser and we'll see you guys in for a second part of the video. Bye guys.